Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the start from tonight. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, hello to all the birthday celebrants of the SBG for March, and hopefully that you have enjoyed your days. And to all the attenders, enjoy and good luck.
Good evening po, the SBG. This is your co-founder, Kayami. First of all, I would like to greet all the birthday celebrants, especially Bro Devon, our one of the co-founder, Idol Leads, co-founder also, Admin Shoti, Admin Yumi, Chai at Black Jones. Sana humaba pa ang inyong buhay. Manatili pang kalusugan ng inyong pangatawan at manatili ang inyong kasariwaan para pakinabangan pa kayo sa DSBG, lalo na sa pakipaglaban natin sa mga kantahan sa iba-ibang grupo dito sa Star Maker. Again, happy birthday to you guys. Wish you all the best, good health, and sana magsama-sama pa tayo ng matagal dito sa DSBG para lalong maging kilala ang ating grupo at maging mabuti lalo ang ating samahan. Wala na po akong ibang masasabi, kundi again, happy birthday. God bless you all.
Happy birthday po sa March celebrant kay Kof Devon, Kof Leads, Admin Shoti, Admin Yumi, Back Jones, and Chai. Ayun, stay pretty, stay handsome guys, and take care always.
Hello! Happy birthday, Bro Devon. Wala naman nang hihilingin para sa iyo kasi nakuha mo na ang lahat. I'm sure masaya ka na sa ngayon talaga kasi may partner ka na talaga. Ayan. Sana huwag ka magbago. Andito pa rin tayo. Hindi man tayo nagkakaroon ng banding, pero ang puso natin is nasa DSBG pa rin. Ayan. At sana one time magkaroon tayo ng kantahan ulit ni the founder Chismisan. Ayan. Yun lang naman, ingat ka palagi kasama ng iyong partner. Ayan. And God bless you more. Ayan. Thank you, Brother Bon. Ingat. Bye.
Ayan. Hello DSBG. Ayan. Ayun, ako ay sobrang nabibisi kaya hindi ako makapag-active.